What if I tell you that you can travel to Germany for free? Yes, you heard that right. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you how. DAAD, Deutscher Akademischer Austauschdienst, we say in German, which is Student Academic Exchange Service in English, are inviting application for its university summer courses HSK for year 2025 to 26 in Germany for full-time bachelor's and master students with B1 level German. So the aim of the scholarship is to deepen knowledge of the German language and culture. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? Students enrolled in bachelor's or master's program across all fields of studies may apply. Bachelor students must have finished a minimum of 2 years of university coursework before the scholarship period starts. What is funded? Financial support is available for attending language cultural studies courses from the offerings listed in their course list on their website. The link I'll paste in the caption below. The courses are taught in German language. Participation is only possible offline. That means you have to attend in person. Attendance in person is mandatory. There is no option of remote participation. You cannot participate online. Now, duration of the funding, each course lasts a minimum of 18 teaching days, so up to 5 days per week, and that excludes the arrival and departure days. So 25 teaching hours per week. The grants are not extendable, and this course take place between the months of June and September. So what all does the scholarship include? Language course fees are covered. Accommodation for the duration of the course is provided. So accommodation in a single room, example student dormitory, shared apartment, a one-time allowance of 450 euros. So, and a country specific travel allowance will be provided. The rates for 2026 is yet to be decided and it will be announced soon. Health insurance will be provided. Please note, neither the travel allowance nor the applicable one-time allowance will be transferred abroad. Instead, DAAD will send the funds to the course provider who will pay them out in cash to each scholarship recipients on site. Now, what is the selection criteria? So, selection is would be primarily based on student academic performance, a persuasive motivation letter that explains the chosen program and future academic plans. The portal is already open. It opened on 1st September 2025, and the application deadline is 30th October 2025. This scholarship was my first gateway to Germany and it can be yours too. Save this post for later and share with someone who dreams of studying in Germany. So what are you waiting for? Apply now, follow for more tips and subscribe to my YouTube channel.